Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Ever notice your character wandering off screen or the camera panning on its own? That's classic stick drift, a real headache for PlayStation 5 owners. It's incredibly frustrating when your controller isn't doing what you want it to. But don't worry, you don't always need a new controller. We're going to walk through some simple, effective fixes today. Let's dive in and get your gaming experience back on track. Before grabbing any tools, let's try some simple software fixes. First, make sure your controller's firmware is completely up to date. An outdated driver can sometimes cause odd behavior. Next, locate that tiny reset button on the back, usually near the L2 trigger, and use a paperclip to press it for 5 seconds. Finally, try unpairing and then repairing your controller with your PlayStation 5. These quick checks often fix many minor drift issues surprisingly well. Often, stick drift is just plain old dirt and dust getting in the way. Grab a can of compressed air and firmly press the affected analog stick down, then blast air all around its base. Rotate the stick and repeat this a few times to dislodge any trapped particles. For stubborn grime, a cotton swab lightly dampened with rubbing alcohol works wonders around the outer edges of the stick. This external clean can be surprisingly effective for many. If drift persists after external cleaning, it might be time for a deeper dive. This involves carefully opening your PlayStation 5 controller, which usually means removing a few screws. Once inside, locate the analog stick module. Use a specialized electronics contact cleaner, spraying a small amount directly into the module's moving parts. Be sure to let it dry completely before reassembling everything. Take your time and watch a detailed guide if you're unsure about this step. To keep your sticks drift-free in the future, prevention is key. Try storing your controller in a cleaner spot, perhaps even a drawer, to avoid dust buildup. Also, a simple rule: no messy snacks during intense gaming sessions. If you've tried all these steps and still have issues, it might be time to consider a professional repair or look into replacing the entire analog stick module. Doing so can give your beloved PlayStation 5 controller a whole new lease of life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.